to my channel, and we're gonna just quickly get this moss ready. I'm gonna get this because in the last episode off camera, I found a moss, piece of moss. So I got it, and we're just gonna, and I boiled it, so we're just gonna quickly get all this moss. And since I was bone mealing this, I got some flowering aloe there, whatever that's called. So yeah. And then of course there's a dirt path when we're done. Like now let's just get the moss. We need the moss to make mossy cobblestones to make our secret underground base. Which we will make in a minute. After we are done. Okay, so let's quickly get this. That's Kate. I named her Kate. I named that dog, one of the dogs, Kate. I named all of them one thing. Okay, so here we are. I think we got all the moss. From way over here, let's get that. Oh, there's one block here. Okay, how many do I have? How much moss do I have? I have over a stack. That's so weird. Alright. So, how many flowering aloes do I have? I have 0 of those. So, yeah. Let's just bone meal these real quick. Let's bone meal all of them. Okay, where's this? Okay. Get fully grown, y'all. So there we go. Our whole wheat field is bone meal. Let's get our moss blocks, and yeah, we're gonna have to go mining in a while. I'm gonna make a little mining shack. I'll be back in a second. Let me just get that. Yeah. Shh. I don't know what kind of glitch that was, but my hearts just went away. What the heck, man? Okay. So as you can see, I've set up everything. There's also some iron up there. And I'm gonna break this block actually. So here we have some like cave area, you know. So I think this is gonna be a good place for us to mine. I have some blast furnace, the furnace, some chest area, some andesite. Pop that down there. There's spyglass with me since I always do. I'm gonna put some stuff away. I know, so like when I was mining all of this area out, I found some lava. I blocked it up right now. It's not there. It was like right here. This area.